Hello guys and most welcome to my YouTube channel Kidzstars. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video you will see the Keemokazi and his sisters not expecting this before water sliding. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. If you are here then don't forget to subscribe our channel. So guys, let's enjoying the video. Keemokazi and his sisters not expected this
Bro, you
before
guys have
water
to do
sliding.
Let's
That is so crazy. Keemokazi's sisters look so scary. Oh, Savvy is so scary for this. Whoa. Keemokazi looks scary. Oh, so funny. So guys, thanks for watching this video. In this video you will see the Keemokazi and his sisters look so scary during water sliding. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like it then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Till that and take care. Bye bye.